do like this. So guys, now we are all matched with this Shitterino and that Shitterino. Now this is epic. So pretty much guys, I have not done this type of video in a fucking while, and I now to have little extra camera, and we are going to be unboxing my first watch. So this is epic guys. I've been watching a rich YouTuber called Producer Michael. You might know about him, you might not. No one's watching this. So either way, I've been watching him, I've been learning a lot about watches, I've been starting to like watches, but I don't really got like $100,000 on my bank account. But I came across an ad on YouTube, Vincero watches, and they said they have watches under $200, and I was just like, ooh, you know what? Maybe it's a little bit interesting to check this out. So pretty much what we have here now is the freaking package, which I'm gonna open up like this. And here we have price. Here we have cool ass paper. Yeet. This is watch sizing tool for metal band. I know it says band, but it's not supposed to be on the band. And here we have the here. Ooh. We have the Vincero thing. I'm gonna destroy this wrap. And here we have it, with a nice rubber band to keep it all together, I guess. And let's just open this up. We push it out. Ooh, we do. Damn, this is a lot more slick than I thought it was going to be. Now how do I do? Ooh. You guys have the first, no, I'll have the first watch of the watch. God motherfucking damn. Rubber, like this bubble plastic. Oh shoot, guys. Okay, now how the fuck do I rip it? Okay, I just took out my watch, guys. Ooh, I don't know how well you'll see it here. Let me check. Okay, it doesn't look very good on this camera, so let's just hope it looks better on this camera. It doesn't look better on this camera either. We can get some. Ooh, that's a lot of sunlight though, too much. Yeah. Oh, for sure. Now this is a lot of noise right here. This watch right here, like. Okay, I don't have the perfect lighting in my room. Just fuck off. Now, let's remove. Okay, let's not remove it. Let's remove it. Fuck. How the fuck do you open this up? I do not know how to open this up. The fuck do you open up a watch? I need to fucking watch a tutorial on how the fuck to open up a watch. I just do not know how the fuck to do this. How the fuck do I do this? How the fuck do I open up a watch? I need a tutorial on how the fuck to freaking open a watch. I guess it's the clasp. I'm gonna just...
This is the AuthenticWatches.com instruction video for opening a hidden folding clasp. And just pull outwards and it should snap out on its own, and then click back in on its own. Hope that clarifies the issue. For reference, this is the Michelle Deco 6V42, and we have linked the listing in the video description. If you have any other questions or concerns, you're welcome to email us.
How the fuck do you open up a fucking... I did it. Fellas, I did it. I actually opened up the watch. Okay. It's a bit big, so I'm gonna have to somehow tighten it up. I think this is what that's for. Guess it's called a fucking sizing tool. But I officially have my watch on my wrist, and it looks kind of freaking cool. But I'll be back when I'll be back, when I have fixed the tightening of the watch. Yeah. I'm not even joking. Fucking like 40 minutes later, I got it on my wrist. It's here now. It's upside down. I don't know. It's something, but it's on. It works. The time is set, and it's just. So guys, after like literally 40 minutes, I am officially done. I have put on the watch. It fits on my wrist, and the time is working, and everything, and it's just totally awesome and epic. So guys, without further ado, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Alright, so now a week has gone by, and I must say, I really like the watch. It's supposed to be like, okay, you cannot see it, but I must say, I do the recommendation. It's really nice. If you ever plan on the buying, I suggest you do the buying. Yeah, that was it. Bye bye.